Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about these two phrases, let's say. Alright. Yeah, these two phrases. Go shopping. Go shopping versus do the shopping. Okay, what is the difference? Well, when we look at this at the same time, at the same glance, they look to be the same thing. They are the same thing, but when we are asked what the difference is, then we try to find the difference, and then we say, yeah, here they are. This is to go, and this is to do. All right, but what is the difference? Well, most of the times when I ask my students what the difference is, they say this is when you're on the way, when you walk there or something like that, and this is when you're paying or doing this or things like that. No, not really. That is not the difference. You have to look at the same full thing and the meaning that underlines. Okay? Well, when we look at this sentence, it seems to be a bit contradictory, a bit, against itself. The person says, I love shopping or I love to go shopping, and at the same time, I hate to do the shopping. Well, when we think of this, you say, oh, the person is bipolar, has got some problems over here, is saying the same thing in two different ways. Well, actually, no. Well, I intentionally made these sentences and put them in I used the both phrases in one sentence to show the difference, okay? But you mainly would not find such a thing. But that makes sense. Go shopping is different from to do the shopping. When you go shopping, that is when you go buy some clothes, when you go buy a watch or some jewelries or a camera or a cell phone or I don't know, lots of other things that are luxurious, things that you do not buy every day. Okay, things that for some of them you had to wait for a period of time and you're excited about buying them. Okay, but do the shopping goes back to buying things like fruits, like vegetables, going to grocery shop, buying some washing liquid, hand soaps, shampoo, and these kind of things that you use every day. Okay, milk, sugar, bread, and these kind of things. Okay, so when we talk about buying things that we use every day and are, let's say, a part of our daily life and is a bit of our chores, let's say, like doing the laundry, okay, picking up kids from school, I don't know, these kind of things, then that comes falls in this category. Do the shopping. Do the shopping is one of the chores, things that you have to do on a daily or weekly basis, okay? But go shopping is something that you mainly do, from time to time. You go to luxurious places, you know, places that are maybe far from your place. Okay, to do the shopping, you go to the closest place possible. Well, when you go shopping, you might go even to a different city to go, for for shopping, or you go to some malls or let's say bazaars, places that are very, very beautiful, and then you might go to a different country even to buy some clothes, some I don't know bags or these kind of things, and this is like a hobby. Okay, so people get excited about this one, well, not about this one mainly because you have the opportunity to do it every day, every time. So the beauty goes out of it when it gets repeated every day. All right. So now they are a bit more different. Now let's look at the sentence once again. I love shopping or I love to go shopping, and at the same time I hate to do the shopping. Okay? So the person loves this one and hates this one. Yeah, it makes sense now. All right. Now let's look at this one. I've been shopping with my friends, so my husband did the shopping. Okay? As I told you, you would not find these two phrases in one sentence, but I intentionally put them in one sentence to show you know, how close they are, how similar they might be, but are different at the same time. All right, and the final one. Few women really enjoy doing the shopping, but the majority love to go shopping. Okay, of course, it is about men as well. Lots of men love shopping. Yeah, they do as well, but mainly this is something that we know women with. All right, anyhow, this was the lesson. I hope you have learned something from this video and enjoyed your time. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.